This is a lockwood oval I bought off of eBay from somebody in Australia. I'm not real sure what model it is. In the description it said 570 oval. On the key it says, you know, restricted, do not copy. And that's the bidding. It doesn't really feel like there's any security pins in here, but you know, that bidding is definitely working for it. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick top of the keyway with a decent amount of tension. I mean, you know, all my tension tools bend when I put tension on usually. I'm going to start out with the Moki Standard Slim. This is a 2-pick process. So there's nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click out of 6. Maybe 2 clicks out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see where we're at. I'm going to switch to the multi-pick medium hook. 23 thousandths. Maybe a little something out of 1. Maybe something out of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, I had it. I thought I overset something, but I just had to push number 5 up just a little bit. But that is the Lockwood 570 oval cylinder.